I brought Granny upstairs. That's normally not possible. I really wanted to see what's gonna happen if I let her loose upstairs. I'm just gonna let her wake up and hope. Oh, she's gone. She's gone. Is she really back downstairs? 15 minutes all for that. Really, Granny? Couldn't handle 1 second of being upstairs? It's fine, it's just the upstairs. There's something wrong with it. How come you just instantly despawn when I brought you up there? I get it's not supposed to be possible, but... Where else should I drag her?